Hi, I'm here with Len, who heads up business development for Creative Virtual in Australia and New Zealand. And Len's going to take us through what's hot, what's trending in the space of conversational AI. Yeah. And are you seeing voice increase in popularity? Because I know through our Agent Assist product, we're having the voice bot, as it's being called, capability to prompt agents in real time as they're on a voice call. So the chatbot is like the buddy on the shoulder, really, of the agent as they're answering questions. Are you seeing much of a demand for that type of technology in Australia and New Zealand?
Look, I think recently the operation here has seen like a 3 or 4-fold increase in agent assist type technologies.
Yeah.
So that's the ability for a voice bot to get in. But I'm also seeing just this week, and what makes sense is the ability to use a voice bot to basically read back through what's been regarded traditionally as an IVR technology. The IVR technology, it's quite interesting. We just reviewed this week an IVR request, and the IVR request struck me as though it could have been written 10 years ago, because it was a large-scale technical response of a traditional IVR with the branches, the trees, and the selection and the use of DTMF to manage menu selections. And we unfortunately missed the RFI, but we went back to them and said, at the moment, we can't answer all the traditional IVR questions around capability, but what we can do is, if you want to leapfrog technology, we could use a chatbot and text-to-speech or a voice bot, and basically we can route out of that into a relevant human if we need to a skilled agent that can handle that type of request, or we can answer it within. So it's going to be contained within the voice bot. And so I think there's an opportunity, and we're starting to see just the initial stages of it, where IVRs that are being requested, and they can be buried in contact center solutions, but they're saying we needed to integrate with a chatbot. Well, the thing is, the chatbot can possibly replace the whole IVR anyway.